Before starting the video, I would like to inform that this video is for all who is dedicated and wanted to learn with the earning more than 20 lakhs per annum. As COVID-19 are increasing, the demand of IT sector is also increasing. If we want to update and want to earn more than 20 LPA per annum with the work from home, then we can learn a top 5 skills through which we can increase our income. Before starting the session, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So let's start with the skill number 5, that is NFT. What is NFT? Basically, what is the full form of NFT? NFT is basically non fungible token. What is the meaning of non fungible token? Fungible means irreplaceable, or we can say that if we are talking about NFT, then we can't replace this token, that is NFT. Okay, a non fungible token is a unique and non interchangeable unit of data stored on a blockchain, a form of digital ledger. NFTs can be associated with the reproducible digital files such as photos, videos and audios. The difference is that NFTs are unique, irreplaceable and provide exclusive ownership on the blockchain, which is all the hype is about. Few basic skills that are required to learn NFT is web development, data structure and cryptography. Some companies which are working with NFT is Nifty, Gateway, Super Rareable, Foundation. These are the top companies that are continuously working on NFT. What is a salary package? Basically, if you are an NFT engineer or you wanted to be an NFT engineer, then you can earn more than, or you can earn between 10 to 45 lakhs per annum in India. Okay. Number 4 is robotics. What is robotics? Basically, we all are aware about robots. A robot is an automated device that is controlled by a computer program or electronic circuitry that enables it to perform its assigned functions. It is a system that contains sensor, control systems, manipulators, power tool and softwares. Robots are an integral part of many modern manufacturing industries because it decreases the manpower or increases the quality as well as product manufacturing. As industries grow, the range of robotics also grows. Robots are widely used to carry heavy equipments to and from the wrong places and to handle hazardous materials such as nuclear waste, because we can't touch nuclear waste, or manpower can't work on nuclear waste because it is very hazardous and it can kill the people also. Smart factors adopt Elgai robotics and a few robots. Some of the companies are continuously working in the field of robots, Boston Dynamic and Universal Robot. Basic skills: text analytic, machine learning, predictive analytic, data mining, statistical and natural language processing. These are the few skills which we have to know while we are going to learn robotics. Companies that are continuously working, that is Amazon, American Express and Capital One. If you are talking about salary package, then in India the salary package of robotics engineer is between 8 to 19 LPA. Skill number 3, that is quantum computing. What is quantum computing? We all are aware about supercomputers. By the help of supercomputer, we can solve the problem easily. But quantum computing is an integrates computer mechanics even to bring a major step forward in computation to solve specific problems. IBM has designed a quantum computer to solve complex problems that today's most popular computers will not be able to solve and will never solve. Top basic skills while we are going to learn quantum computing is editing and algorithm, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, computer science, analytical thinking and collaboration. Top companies that are continuously working on quantum computing is Amberflux, Amazon and Airbus. Salary package of quantum computing engineer is between 12 to 45 LPA in India. Skill number 2, Internet of Things, that is also known as IoT. Internet of Things define a network of objects added to sensor software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other tool and system online. Let us suppose you are winter season are going on and you are under the blanket. You wanted to close your door. Then how you will? You have to open yourself from blanket and you will go and close the door. But if you wanted to close that door by the help of a smartphone, then how? It can be possible. It can be possible by the help of IoT. This material range from common household item to state-of-the-art industrial tools. In the last few years, IoT has become one of the most important technologies of 21st century. Now that we can connect everyday items, kitchen appliance, car, thermostats, baby monitoring to the internet with embedded devices, seamless communication is possible between people, process and objects. So that's why we can say that IoT is playing a very vital role in today's or modern lives. In upcoming few years, IoT will be the top listed skill and that will be required or that will be hired by all the companies with a maximum salary package. Basic skills to know about IoT is access to low cost, low power sensor technology, machine learning and analysis, cloud computing, conversational artificial intelligence. These are the basic skills we have to know while going to learn IoT. Top companies IBM, PTC and Samsara, these are the top companies that are continuously hiring of IoT engineer. Salary package of IoT engineer is between 10 to 25 LPA in India. Skill number 1, that is big data and analysis. Basically, as name declared that it can analyze the big problems in big data. So, big data analysis is the use of advanced analytical techniques against a very large diverse data set that include structured, small and unstructured data from different sources and with different size from terabytes to zettabytes. Big data analysis allows analysts, researchers and business users to make better and faster decisions using previously inaccessible or inaccessible data. Top basic skills: text analysis, machine learning, statistical analysis, data mining, statics, natural language processing. These are the top skills we have to know while gonna to learn big data analysis. Companies that are hiring: Amazon, American Express and Capital One. Here I'll talk about the salary package. The starting salary is approximately 8 to 10 LPA in India for the big data engineer. So I hope you have enjoyed these lectures and thank you for watching. In upcoming videos, we are gonna to design a crash course on drone technology and robotics. In these lectures, we will provide a great detail of drone technology and robotics as well as drone designing. So, once again, like, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. As well as if you wanna to learn any one of them in detail or you wanna to crash course on this topic, then you can comment. And we have seen the top skills through which we can earn more than 20 LPA. But from where we can learn? So there are many platforms through which you can learn all the courses, just like EDX, Coursera, Udemy. These are the platforms that will where you will get the full course with certification. So if you are really interested and want to learn, then please comment. I will share the link through which you will find the course with certification. So thank you so much and thank you once again. We will meet in another video. Bye bye, take care, and all the best for your new career.